guys, Samantha Caudle here, dancer, choreographer, and teacher here in LA. And today I'm with the lovely Eden, who's going to be assisting me and teaching you my choreography to Sports Car by Tate Mcrae. This choreo is made for all levels, so have fun, enjoy, and as always, guys, this is class, so I would love to see what you learned today, would love to see a video of you doing this choreography. If so, make sure you tag me at Samantha Caudle 9, or if you don't want to show anybody, just send me that DM. I'll give you critiques, I'll give you feedback, and I would just love to see what you learned in class today. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. I make these videos completely for free for you guys, so please help support the channel so I can make more videos and more content for you by subscribing down below. Without further ado, let's learn Sports Car. All right, guys, let's learn Sports Car. So as always, I've already flipped the camera for you. Our right hand is our right hand and your right hand. Our left is your left for easy learning. You're welcome. Here we go. So we're actually going to start facing the back. We've got 5, 6. You're going to start on 7 and 8 and with that step. So one more time, she's going to show you. So she steps right foot. She goes 7 and together, and then she's going to jump out second, head up. This is your superstar moment. This is the intro of the whole piece. Yeah, so let's review that again. You're facing the back wall. You go 5, 6. You start right and together and. Good. You're going to hold here. You're going to bring that arm down on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like you have a secret. And then you're going to take the hips around and go, ha. Yeah. Hands to kitty cat. Boom. Round, round, round. Yeah. Spicy already on 6. So this is up. You hold and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She says, no, you ain't got no misses. On misses, you're going to step together, miss, right foot, and then look, is. Yeah, miss, is. Yes, good. Let's review that again. So lots of holds here, lots of time to breathe and enjoy, but everything should be super strong and super powerful. Yeah, here we go. From the top slow, we go 5, 6, you step 7 and 8 and 1, and then we come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, you ain't got no misses. Yes, we're going to keep going, pushing on. She says, but you've got a sports car. You reach across, but you've, yep, she lifts up, gotta. She scoops the booty, sports, and then drops it down, car. Yes, so let's review that again. We're here. She goes, look front, and then she goes, but you've got a sports car, and throw that head down, yeah, all the way down. Left hand to your back, right hand to your foot. From here, we're gonna go up and go up, and then you go click, click. Yeah, nice and tight, ta, ta. Woo, the second one you keep melting through. And then we bring the arms up to the head here, and we go right, left, push. Yes, and bring that out. So that's our intro, you guys. That's our intro. Woo! It's spicy. So we're here, ta, ta. She goes, but you've got a sports car. We can, in it. You hold while you drive it real far. Yes. So hold this until you hear drive, that right leg goes. Drive it real far. Yes, stunning, gorgeous, amazing. Let's take it from the top. Let's review. Here we go. We go 5, 6, we go 7 and 8 and hold 2, 3, 4. Now we bring it down 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you wanna, no, you ain't got no. Look, look, right hand, but you've got a sports car. We can right, left in it while you right, left, ha. Good. Yes, she's already eating it up. She's already eating it up. As always, would love to review that one more time. If you need to, though, go back. If you need to review, go back. We're going to keep pushing forward for those that are ready, okay? So we're here, right, left, ha. You've got 2, 3, 4 to get ready to pose. And I want the most craziest pose on 4, like that. Yeah, if you could do that, go for it. If you can't, I'll be right here with you. This will be my pose today, okay? That or anything in between. So we got drive it real far, 2, 3, set up for your pose, 5. And on 5, you're gonna hold that pose, yeah? From here, so she's not dying. You melt and you go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. It's your own moment to just get out of your pose and adjust, yeah. So for her, it's that back walkover. For the rest of us, maybe it's just da, 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 da. Yeah, doesn't have to be cray cray, but can be cray cray, okay? So she posed, you don't have to do it. This is 5, we hold, then we move 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4. We're gonna face the back, onde or turn over your right shoulder and walk. Right, left, right, left. Yep, so you came out of your pose, you melt, 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 melt. You go right and a left and a right and a left. Big sassy walk here. If I had more room, I'd be swaying those hips, I'd be rocking, yep, doing all the things, yeah? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna do a jazz square and look to the front for you to go front, 6, 7, 8. Yep, so again, that foot goes, go ahead and show them, right, left, eyes to the front. One more time, we go right and a left and a right and a left. Stepping on the right foot, you go forward and hit. Yeah, the hands are gonna go swipe, swipe, hit. We do a big spiral to the ground. We open those legs, yeah, all the way down to first position and come around. Okay, so she's gonna show you one more time. So she goes open to second, open, then spiral down, knees gently to the floor, and then she's gonna throw that left arm in front. Yeah. So let's review all of that from the top, yeah? Woo, we go, are you okay? Yes, I know it's warm in here, huh? Okay, we go 5, 6, we go 7 and 8 and hold, 2, 3, 4. We take this down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, you ain't got no look, but you've got a sports car. We can right, left in it while we right, left, push, 2, here's your pose, 6, 7, 8, melt 1 and a 2 and a 3, walk it back now, right, left, crisscross, 2, 3, that big spiral, 5 and 6, turn around, get there, drop down. Make sense? Woo! Normally, guys, in my class, we spend more time reviewing all the choreo, but today, you know, on these tutorials, I gotta move quick, so we're gonna keep on pushing forward. We're down on that floor. Eden's down on the floor. Yeah, we're here, and then we take this around and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. She lifts up 5, 6, body roll, 7, 8 to sit to that left hip. Yeah, one more time, we're down here. So we go side, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, body roll. She's gonna hit, boo, ha, and then we roll over that right shoulder. We hold here, we're gonna lift up. We're gonna pick out that right foot, right, and we're gonna do a little turn on the knees. It shouldn't hurt. Very gently turn over your left shoulder, arms up, and go around. Yeah. Time out, so let's take it back. So we go, we're down on the floor. Yeah, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Take mine off me. She says, one more roll. Oh golly gee, we roll 5, 6, 7. I'm growing weak in my knees is when we step out to turn. And she's gonna take this all the way down. Woo! And bring out the left leg, yes? Yeah. So let's review that. We're here on that right foot. For that turn, use these arms to take you up, shoo, and shoot your body together. Then you're gonna take that right arm through, dive down into the floor, right hip comes out, gorgeous. Now she's gonna push back, legs together, push back, whoop, to scoop it on up. She's gonna scoop her booty cheek, left one, and then go 1 here, and then turn around over your right shoulder, right, together. Great, let's do that floor work one last time. We're down on the floor. Let's take it from the top of that floor work. Yeah, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, lift up 5, 6, 7, 8, big body roll, and then a G, go 5, 6, 7, growing weak in my knee, turn, boom, where'd you put those keys? Good, boom, we can share one seat, circle the booty, we can share one seat, ha, stepping around 1, hit 2. Gorgeous, woo! I think we're gonna stop there today for the tutorial. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I know it's a long piece, but I want you to perform. You've got lots of holds and things like that. So if you wanna learn the rest of it, the video's down below. You can learn it from the class video. You already know 75% of it. So congrats, guys. Woo! All right, so let's take that floor work one more time for them, I think, yeah. The timing is a little weird. You'll hear it with the music. So we take it back. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, take mine off me and a roll. Oh, golly gee, I can't take no more. I'm growing weak in my step. Boom, ha. Where'd you put those keys? Yes, push, ha, and we could share one seat. We turn around 1, 2. Yes, finish in that right hip, nice and strong. Yes, good, 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 good. All right, I know you need a review, so do I, so does she, we all do. So let's go slow from the top, we'll go medium, we'll go full tempo, and then beautiful Eden here is gonna show you with music, the live version. I did edit this song, it is hard to find, and I edited it, so if you guys want this song in particular, you can take it from that class video to practice at home, okay? All right, so here we go, from the top, super slow. We start on 7, reminder, we go 5, 6, she turns 7 and 8, and you've got 4 counts to hold here. Take it down, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you wanna ha, no you ain't got no boom boom, but you've got a sports car. We can right left in it while we right left push 2, 3, she's gonna pose 5, 6, 7, 8, move 1, 2, 3, 4, walk right, left jazz square, look, 2, 3, 4, forward and slide, turn around, get there, down, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, body 7, 8. One more body, 2, G, and I can't take no more. I'm growing weak in my knees, turn. Where'd you put those keys? Work it out. Boom, we could share one seat and then circle. You've got time here. We turn around 1, 2. Yeah, she got excited, she got excited. Okay guys, I think we should actually just go full tempo because it's not too much different than that. So let's go full tempo. Yes, come in a little more so they can see you. Okay, you ready? Here we go. If you need that one more time, just go back. Don't stress. Don't skip the stress. Go back. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go. From the top, we go 5, 6, we go 7 and 8 and hold. 2, 3, 4. Take it down. I think you know what this is. I think I can't sing. I know I already know, and but you've got a sports car. We can right left in it while we right left push 2, 3, pose it out 5, 6, 7, 8. We melt and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Walk it back now. 6. Jazz square. 2, 3, and a dot, dot, dot. Turn around, get there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big ta, body and hits. Roll 6, 7. Growing weak in my knees. Turn. Where'd you put those keys? Yep, you got time. 2, 3, 4. Boom. We can share one seat. Turn around, 1, hit 2. Yes, let's hear it with the music. All right, guys, pretend you're on stage with Tate Mcrae. This is your time to shine. Enjoy, okay? And watch Eden go walk. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and hold. 2, 3, work it out, down. 2, 3, 4, 6, we can right, left, push, pose it out, work, 1, 2, 3, to the back, walk, walk, jazz square, a boom, boom, bop, a turn around, get there, work, yes, Yes. Boom. One. Work. Boom. Turn around now, finish. Yes! Amazing. Thank you guys so much for taking class with Eden and I. How are you feeling?
So sweaty.
So sweaty. Good, good, good. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are sweating as much as we are. Good training today. If you're ever in LA, please come take class with us. Come hang out. We're here at Playground LA. I'm here every Sunday and Wednesday. But if you're not, I've got more tutorials for you. And as always, I would love to see you in the next completely free tutorial training with me. Thank you guys. See you.